Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I actually received my Fawn Design package. I shopped their blush sale. They had up to 30% off everything that was blush, so of course I had to jump on that and get as many goodies as I could find. I'm gonna go ahead and open it right now. I'm so excited. If you have not seen my What's in My Diaper Bag video, I will put this on here right now so you guys can check out what is my favorite brand, and that is Fawn Design. So every time they will send you a packing slip. I had to get, and maybe a little extra, but I had to get the passport wallet, which I'm gonna open it up now for you guys. I wanted everything to match, obviously, so here it is. And I'm gonna bring everything up close in just a minute to show you guys. I really like it. I'm about to go grab my passport. Then I got in here really, John? A little tassel, blush. This is the passport wallet. Hopefully you guys can see it good. I'm gonna take it out. Do not judge my nails, they're disgusting. I gotta get them fixed. But it's so beautiful. And it's in blush. And then I gotta take off the stickers, but I'll do that in a little bit. The Fawn Design tassel. And here is this. Try to get it good. Their makeup bag. And they have two, so I got both, of course. I'm like getting everything ready as I'm showing you guys, obviously. So here is the makeup bag. So pretty. You have a lot of room inside, so I'm about to switch over my makeup bag right now to this one. And then, let me this is the smaller makeup bag. Which is right here. And this one has a lot of room as well. And I'll show you both of them next to each other. And here is the size of them. Large and then the small one. They're really cute. Alright, so save the best for last. I'm seriously so stinking excited for this. Alright, here is this beauty. It looks, let me open it, let me close it first so you guys can get an idea. I need to obviously put stuff in there to like fan it up for now, but it is so gorgeous. It's seriously so pretty.
on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.